This is a Team Roby production.
We gon' do what you like.
Yeah.
I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight.
Rod Wheels.
Yeah, everything's alright.
It's for
I
you,
promise
girl.
you gon' like it, girl.
Come in, baby girl, take a load off. I got something planned before you doze off. I'm not talking nasty, I'm just talking classy. It's a surprise, so please don't ask me. You should start off by telling me about your day. I'm listening attentively to what you say. Was it good, was it bad? You should tell me about it. And if it was bad, then let's just forget about it. Cause we don't need attitudes to ruin the mood. That'll take away from what I'm trying to do. First thing is first, let me get you this food and express how I appreciate you. I was in the kitchen, you know how I bees in it. I made lasagna with your favorite cheese in it. I even mastered how you season it. And when you done, I run your bath and put them beads in it.
Tonight, we gon' do what you like. Everything gon' be right. I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight. We gon' do what you like. Everything gon' be right. I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight.
It's our anniversary, we gotta do it right. I got them apple cinnamon candles that you like. I got the living room smelling like an apple pie. And it's lit up like the sky on the 4th of July. Yeah, I'm feeling high, but I'm not on the drug. I'm only high off this fact I found true love. And with you, I feel like anything is possible. You and I together, we can defeat any obstacles. Forgive me, babe, right now I'm on my Drizzy Drake. You should know by now that you can never be replaced. I'd die if I could never see your face. You're perfect, even when you make mistakes. I'm your king, you my queen, and I'm glad I got you. Unlike the past cats, I'ma treat you proper. I'ma make sure to give you my best with no regrets. You got a good dude, so don't sweat.
Tonight, we gon' do what you like. Everything gon' be right. I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight. We gon' do what you like. Everything gon' be right. I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight.
If you love your woman, prove how you love her. If you don't appreciate her, she gon' find another. It's cool giving flowers and candy, but sometimes mix it up. Do something fancy, romancy. Matter of fact, take her out dancing. And if she like nature, take her out camping. When it's time to eat, take her to the restaurant. Don't be cheap, let your girl get what she want. Don't get me wrong, I ain't saying trick your cash on her, but if she share with you, then you should spend your last on her. Real ride or die women are harder than fine. Than ribs that are prime down in the coal mine, that's a fact. And let me leave it at that. You should stick with this girl if she's got your back. As you listen to these words, you can think that I'm wrong. I'ma let Rod Wheels do the rest of the song.
Tonight, we gon' do what you like. Everything gon' be right. I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight. We gon' do what you like. Do what you like. So right. Like it, girl, tonight. We gon' do what you like. Everything gon' be right. I promise you gon' like it, girl, tonight. We gon' do what you like. Do what you like. So right. Like it, girl, tonight.
Yeah, there you have it. Roby, Rod Wheels, showing appreciation for great women everywhere. Shouts out to T Jenga. Yeah.